Did you know that we have a special kind of neurons known as mirror neuron system that help us understand the actions and behavior of enemies and friends, tricks us imitating action of others, understand foreign language, acquire new skill, evolve socially and empathize on a friend's tragedy and love break, and romanticize someone else's love story. When you see someone else having a cup of coffee, some cells in your brain get activated and fire a tiny spark of electricity, brightening your being and subtly inducing you to desire one. That is how mirror neurons are, a motor neuron associated with mimicking, a group of cells that fires when a person does an action and fires when same person sees someone else is doing the same work. Discovery. Mirror neurons was discovered by Giacomo Rizzolatti and his team in Parma, Italy, while studying motor neurons in the premotor cortex of macaque monkeys. They named these cells mirror neurons as they believed that the cells mirror the actions of others as if the observers were doing it by themselves. Subsequent research in humans has identified similar neural networks, which is known as mirror neuron system. These neurons help us understand others' intentions, emotions, and actions by simulating those actions in our brains. This simulation process might have shaped us in forming society, language development, sharing stories, empathizing with the hero, cursing the villains. Follow the advice and instruction of teachers, influencers. Learn from what parents do rather than what they say. The child mirrors the actions of the mother, teachers, or seniors as these cells facilitate the learning of new skills and behaviors through observation and imitation. That's why people say environment dictates what people think and believe. Mirror neurons help us the experiences grief, joy, suffering of others as if happening in our head. Probably that's is why people say, never associate with losers or pathetic and lazy people, because as a biological memory, the mirroring induces changes in our brain too. Who knows, after a moment of time we manifest that same emotional infectivity in us. I discussed about the normal mirroring cells. Now here is what happens with dysfunctional mirror neuron. Many believe dysfunctional mirror neuron as a causative factor for autism and its spectrum of disorders, and understanding this principle may reset someone with the disease. Not only this, the famous animal activist and behaviorist Temple Grandin, an autism advocate, transformed herself once she connected with the animals and transformed the world. Overall, mirror neurons bridges the gap between perception, action, and social cognition. Help us gaze into depth of human behavior and interaction. If you like this, share thoughts and subscribe for more mind-bending content. Jolly. Namaskaram. Thanks for your attention.